How to fix Verizon bill higher than expected. To fix an unexpectedly high Verizon bill, you simply have to utilize the My Verizon application's native statement comparison tool. So go ahead and launch the application itself, then log into your account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Bill and Account tab. Select your most recent high bill and check the View Bill PDF for current bill as well. Then look for what changed from the last month option or a comparison module. The tool automatically group price drops or cost increases into bold categories like equipment, one-time charges, or surcharges. And this is how you can check your Verizon bill higher than expected, and you can solve any issues if there is any misplaced or wrongly charged amount. You simply have to launch the application once again, then go to live chat support. From there, you can go ahead and then raise an issue regarding your bill. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.